YouTube channel, and the subject of the lecture is community medicine, and I am just giving this lecture to my MCPS student, that is the membership of College of Physician Surgeon of Pakistan, and the course comprises of community medicine subject. And today we are dealing with the method of excreta disposal. And when we say excreta word, the word is not acceptable socially. Even we would think about the excreta, particularly the human excreta, then it gives us not a good feeling. But this is part of the civilization, this is part of the society, this is part of the community medicine, this is part of the public health. And as we move on the slide, next slide, you can see that the disposal of human excreta, safe disposal of excreta, so that it does not contaminate the environment, water, food, or hands, is assured to ensuring a healthy environment and for the protecting personal health. So individual health as well as community health, the environment, they all are linked with even your hands, because the hands are the source of health and hands are the source of many infections. And if you see the blue word, the principal way of breaking the fecal oral disease transmission cycle, sanitation is therefore a critical to prevent the disease transmission. So from this you can understand that how important is this field. We will move on the next slide, and you can see this is a very common picture of the developing country, particularly the subcontinent, in which the water source, the defecation and the cleaning of the private and anal parts are also done in a not sanitary way or in a not civilized way. And this is one of the pictures which we have taken from the Google. And you can see the disposal is with belief, and if you see the habits, so, and ignorance. So this, some people feel that in the houses, if we have this excreta disposal, or if the latrine is there, they dislike it. And this was all over the world, even in the Europe, it was the filth, and the latrines were not liked, even in the UK, USA before the 16th century. And we were thinking the word toilet is also not from the English word, but it is from the Latin, from the French, and which means latrine or lavier, and that was just a dressing room, and it was not used for this purpose of excreta disposal. But then ultimately this was aided, and the people not only dressed themselves having combing and clothing, but they were also adding these fittings so that the latrine was ultimately developed. But at the end of the slide you will see that the invention of the latrine, there is a great evidence that it happened in the inter-civilization in the Mohenjo-daro, and I have seen myself when I was visiting many times Mohenjo-daro. Then the drainage system and the latrine system both are in a visible shape, and we will show you the picture also. This is one of the, you can see that there is a hole, and there is a sitting platform, and there is a drainage system which takes the water away from the used water into the drain, and then it is disposed of in the main drain. So this is exactly what the modern flush system, modern sewerage system is there. I will show some other pictures also. These are the modern gadgets or modern sanitary wares, and people are using this, but this is a very latest phenomena, and day by day the ceramics and other engineering material is being used, but ultimately the disposal is important. It is not the shape, it is not the beauty, that how fancy you are developing, you are constructing your bathroom, and you can see that this is a simple non-service bathroom. Here you don't require a person or drainage system, and for the family and for the small community, this is called the pit latrine or a depression in the earth, and there is a superstructure and there is a door or there is some curtain, and you have seen this in the flood area or in the rural area. This is happening on a picture. And this is another in which the water and the excreta is drained into a well-like structure, and ultimately the aerobic and anaerobic action of the bacteria, it reduces the organic material or excreta into a humus or organic material that can be used as a fertilizer, as a kind of crop growing material also. And this is the cycle in which you see that excreta can infect the food, the water, the environment, your hands, your utensils, and even your area in which you are living. And if these worms and other things are in the soil, then they can creep in the body and can infect the intestine, and there can be a cycle of parasitology which affects your nutrition, which affects your health, particularly the children. So hand washing, sanitation is important to maintain the public health. This you can see that in the last flies and other insects are also around the excreta. If it is open, it is not disposed properly. It is perhaps the last slide I am showing you once again that how the use of latrine in this subcontinent or in Indian subcontinent, in Pakistan, people are in the row, but the water as well as the facilities are less. Even in Karachi, the public toilet system is not as efficient. In Hyderabad, where I am making this video, you will not find the public latrine in a good shape. So we will recommend that this is important public health tool, and the sanitation, the cleanliness, the availability of the water, particularly the women, children, and in the schools, universities, we need clean, befitting, and very good looking and clean and safe latrine system. Hopefully, I think this video will give you, but I will just say that there are waterborne diseases, orophycal diseases. They cause lot of problem, including hepatitis, polio, as well as typhoid and diarrheal diseases in children. With this, I think Dr. Hussain has given you latest information. If you are new on this video or on this channel, please subscribe it, comment it, and share it with others. And if you like any other topic as a student of post-graduation, university students, MBBS students, or nursing students, you can write your comments and we will make video on these topics also. Thank you very much.